Hello mga madam! So, meron tayo dito dumating na bag, which is a Louis Vuitton bag. So, may paper bag with box. This one is complete inclusion. Meron din tong resibo. Ito po yung inclusion niya. It has meron po itong lock set. It has a lock set. Ayan. Super gold na lock set. It has receipts. So, this one is a card from Louis Vuitton. And the receipt from the owner and kung saan binili. So, sa Greenbelt po pala ito nabili, guys. This one is pre-love, but the owner decided to sell na lang. Actually, 4 months old pa lang ito. 4 months old. So, August 2025, ito na-avail ni owner. Binili. So, look at the strap. So, very pretty and white. And ayan. So, nakikita nyo, ang ganda-ganda ng kanyang strap. And the bag is here. Naka-dust bag. Ayan yung kanyang original dust bag. And the bag itself is so pretty. Look at this. Guys, this one is a Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas, and the size is size 25. Size 25 to mga madam. Actually, this one is a classic bag from Louis Vuitton. Look at that. This bag is 4 months old. Acquired ni owner ng August 2025. So, the bag itself still pretty. And microchip na rin pala to, guys. So, if interested kayo dyan, let me know. So, look at that. Ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Interior is clean. So, zipper na yung kanyang pinaka-pocket doon. So, ayan. Ayan na siya. Napakaganda mga madam. If meron tayong i-declare na something dito, siguro is yung kanyang sign of use. Super minimal sign of use. Ganda. Ayan. Selling to, guys. PM nyo ako. Ayan. And sa interesado, pwede kong i-forward sa inyo yung receipt, original receipt. So, ayan na. Complete inclusion, box, dust bag, paper bag, receipts. If merong may gusto, let me know, guys. Perfect pang regalo ngayong New Year. Tapos na yung Christmas. Para at least bagong bag, di ba? New Year, new bag. Okay, if interested kayo guys, thank you so much. Just PM me. Bye-bye.